Good evening, guys. This is me again, Carlo Gino, your web developer slash programmer slash software engineer slash developer and copy paste engineer. This will be the 11th day of my 100 days of code challenge. What I did yesterday, uh, I mostly it's about fixing bugs, about the header not responding to will event. So I've also fixed up the update image action and did some refactoring to reuse the photo. What I need to do today is it's all it's wait, I'm trying to find it. Oh, shout out to Bronson. I think he was the one who shared or made a comment. I don't know. Business. Okay, what I need to do today is first I need to refactor header links. Second, I need to support comma in events. What I mean by events, it's in the resume. Resume. These are the events. The problem here is that it's just a plain text. Because if I go to my shout out to Marielle. Thank you, YP. And shout out also to Bronson again, my number one sharer of the year. Going back, these are the events that I was talking about. In here I have a comma, and the problem with that is that in our database, here in the database, events are stored as a simple array which are delimited by comma. So here, if you can see step 4, step 5, and step query, it will be populated um, like this. And just in case I want to add a comma here before or after step, it is currently it will be moved to the next bullet. So what I need to do now is to support that. So that's all the things I'm going to do today. I will start with the easiest, and for me the easiest is this one. So refactoring, so it's in progress. And okay, wait, I'm trying to find where the header is. Header component. The problem here is that I realized that there is a duplicate code. This lines of code, it's almost similar. So if I try to here, you can see that I have here profile means resume and login. I duplicate that because just in case my page shrunk or shrink, I don't know the proper English, it will also contain the same links. But currently, I'm using different one. Here you can see that admin is in the last page, but in here admin is not existing. So what I need to do is make it uniform. So there will be no violation of dry principle. It's quite easy. So I need to create a new ng template, which will be named, I'm not sure. Hey, shout out to, I hope I'll pronounce your name right, Edmondi. I hope. Shout out to you. Thank you for commenting. Now, as I was saying, I need to have a name for this. This will be the links. I hope links will be sufficient. And I will copy this anchor tags. I will put it here. And what I need to do now is to reference that ng template, but I forgot where I remove. Okay, here. I'll just do this trick, or yeah, ng template. Wait. So ng component outlet and equals to the links, which will be this one. This links is this with the pound sign or hashtag. Now I think I can reuse this to the other to the other navigations. If I save this and try to check the result, there's some error like blah 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 blah. I don't know what is it, but let me do our hard refresh. Oh, type path is not a component type. It should be ng template outlet, if I'm not mistaken. What did I type? Oh, okay. It should be ng template outlet. My bad. Now if I do a hard refresh, the error is gone, I hope. Okay. And if I try to check the output, it's still the same. But if I shrink it, now the admin is gone, meaning it's reusing the same template. Now I can actually, I think I can tick this to done. So before that, I need to commit this. Use common template for web and mobile view. While waiting, I think I can drag this to done. And what I need to do next is support comma in events. I think I explained already why I need to do that. So let's say I will copy hello to Nico. Thank you for liking the stream. So I was saying that I will test from this one from something with a comma. Okay, I think I can use this one. For example, I want to display it like this. Only one line, right? If I add a comma and add that and save it, if I go to the result, it's not what I expected. This is not the way I wanted, right? Because I need this to be one line. The problem with that is that whenever I have comma, it will be treated as the delimiter. What we can do here is actually there are two ways that I'm aware of. One is to have regex, which can detect a comma and then what I was saying is like this. You can have a code for a comma, for example, $COM. Okay, maybe adding code is better. In here, I can have something like some string, which, for example, this will be the string, comma, and then that replace with using this regex. So I hope you got the idea, but I'm not using this approach. what I will do here is to create a pipe which will change every what so pipe is something that you can apply to any type actually. And what I will create here is a pipe that will transform a comma element to a literal comma. But before that, sorry, I forgot that I need to take my timer. Should be okay now. In here, okay, so I was saying that I need to create a pipe. I will use this NX console again. This NX console, for those who don't know, is useful when you are trying to create something, because most of the commands are repetitive, and this can make your life easier. But in my case, it's a bit harder because clicking this is not actually working. I don't know if I need to click harder. So what I need to create is a pipe for Angular. And I need to target my web app. The name of the pipe will be I don't know, what is this? It's something that you can use for inner HTML actually. So wait. Couldn't think of a better name. Maybe parse HTML. Okay, maybe I forgot to give you some context on what I'm trying to do. This is what I'm trying to do. Comma HTML code. This one I will use this and sign hashtag then 44, and I will use that in inner HTML. Okay, let me show you what I'm trying to do here. If I add here, instead of this comma, literal comma, okay, sorry, I could not pick it properly. I will copy this, cut, then in the notepad I will, oh, I think it will not work here, so I need notepad plus. Wait, I don't have it. Okay, I don't know why I don't have notepad plus. But what I can do is in here I can paste the string and find comma and replace it with the code, HTML code. Oh, there are too many instances. Maybe I'll just input them one manually. I think this is enough. It should prove the point. I will copy this back to my database and save it. Now if I go back to my result and do a refresh, here we have this string develop import x blah 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 using web base. Then we got this code which is should be equal to comma. This is the comma entity number for that. And what I can do here is, if I use inner HTML, but I need to go to the proper folder first. I think it should be in the resume, then experience.html. This one. This is the one that I need to modify. So instead of directly using that, I will create a span, and then in here I will use inner HTML and then event. Now we can see that it is adding the right characters, but the problem here now is that it using this inner HTML is prone to injection, or I forgot what is the specific, I think it's XSS, so cross-site scripting. What we can do here is we can sanitize the value of the string that we are getting from the data, I mean from somewhere, from anywhere actually. So what I can do here is to create a pipe. Now I already gave you a context. We can now proceed with this generate. And what I'm trying to do is, it's not actually parse, but maybe sanitize string HTML. And this should be in a pipes folder. I think this should be enough, but what I need to do here is to make sure that the created, oh, the dry run is not working as expected. I'm not sure if this is related to naming. Nope, not. Oh, I need to create a declaring module. The declaring module for this is okay, which I think they should be usable by all, but okay, for now I'll put it in app, but I don't think it's the right way, because I'm using it in the resume. So let me put it in resume. Oh, could not be detected. Okay, maybe I can use app for now. I will run it. Now it's created. Let me try if there will be no error when I use that. In here, in resume, sorry, what I will, okay, here, sorry, what was the name of the pipe again? Pipes sanitize. This will be the pipe that I will use. What? Yeah, I think it could not be detected because I did not import it in the proper module. Maybe for now I can remove this and import this on the in the resume module instead. Oops. Now I can import, I can use this here in this declaration. Okay, just in case you are wondering why I did not put it in the app module, because I'm just trying to make it work for now. But in future, this should be in let's say utility module, so I can reuse it anywhere. Okay, here I can use this sanitize string HTML. Previously, it's not VS Code could not detect this, and I hope I can, yeah. Now I can do a control space here, and what it will do is it will run this thing. For this case, I know that my value will be a type of string, and for arguments it will be unknown. And what I will do here is to use a utility method. If I could remember it correctly, it's constructor. It's about it's a DOM sanitizer. Private read only DOM sanitizer. Yeah, it's here. Okay, thank goodness we have this autocomplete. So this that DOM sanitizer is that sanitize value. Oops, why is it having an error? Oh, okay, so I'm using it improperly. What I need to do is I need to pass some security context. Okay, let me read it. Security context is type of security context. Okay, it's just an enum. So what I can do here is pass an enum security context dot. Okay, what should I pick here? Since I'm trying to parse an HTML, I think it should be HTML. And it should not be returned immediately, but be saved on a variable. So sanitized value, and what I need to do here is return this that DOM sanitizer that bypass security trust HTML. I'm not so sure if this will. It's not. For me, I think it's not very secure, but there are some libraries that I can use to make it like bulletproof in this matter, in the XSS injection. But for this case, I think this should be enough. I will show you later what I'm saying. So if I go to my result, it is now still working as expected, right? But let me try if I could remember correctly. If we add something that should not be here. For example, script console.log test. I'm not sure if this will work because Angular might automatically detect it and ignore it. So I will go to console log, and as you can see here, there are no errors. So if I refresh this, there is still no error, but as you can see, we have here a warning that sanitizing HTML blah 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 blah, and HTML strips some content. And since I put that this one, so I will go to database, this OJT thingy, this one, it doesn't have a event because Angular is sanitizing it using this DOM sanitizer. If I try to make it let's say scripta, I'm trying to make this an invalid tag. If I refresh, we can see here console.log test, but we're not getting the script because it's being stripped by Angular sanitizer, or DOM sanitizer to be precise. So we have a bit of assurance that our code, or I mean the thing we're rendering is not how do I say this? Let's say we have a bit of security here. But as I told earlier, it's not fully secured. Okay, let me put again test. In here, I think I can use a new line here. And what I can do now is, since we are using inner HTML, I can also enter some HTML tag, for example, p, and for example as well, I will make it the quick brown fox, and the brown will be italicized. If I hit save, this those values are coming from database. So meaning for my resume, I'm not tightly coupled to the formatting in the front end, because as you can see here, I have now the quick. It's reading like an HTML. It's reading an HTML actually. So I can make it bold in the future. So the point is, it's not hard coded. I think this should not be P, because it's not behaving as expected. If I make it span, and just for example, let me try if I can add a style here. Span again, style, color, red. Will it work? Span. Oops, it's not working. I'm not sure if yeah, I think the style has been stripped. Let me try if I just return it normally. Return value. Yep, it's still being stripped. Or maybe my code was invalid. I'm not so sure. How can I make it? I will add a style here. Style, color. Do I need to enclose it in? I think no. Oh, I hope I just forgot the semicolon. Going back here. I hope I just forgot the semicolon. If I do a hard refresh. Oh no, I think it's not allowing me. Okay, anyway, that's not really important right now. Or is it? I can try to do some searching for this. Google inner HTML remove style. Okay, so this is almost the same of what I did, but I'm not so sure why it's not working. Bypass blah blah blah. Value. Okay, so now I'm getting this font color red, but my problem is it's not sanitized because it did not go through this method. Can I use that style? I hope I can. Oh, it's still working. If I try to make this a script, I'm just wondering what will happen. Script. Okay, so it's saying that it's it's unsafe. Okay, maybe style is okay for now. But I'm not so sure if this is really sanitized. If I go here, if the value is trusted for the context, this will wrap the contained safe value and use it directly. Otherwise, value will be sanitized to be safe in the given context, for example, by replacing URLs. I'm not so sure if this is the right way. Okay, I think I will use that. I will use it for now. So we can style our text here from the content of the backend. So we don't have a tight coupling. Just in case I have another experience, I can simply add a new entry here. So if I try to duplicate this, insert, okay, where is the duplicate? OJT3. I can actually do my formatting here without recompiling my application. So testing lang, and ito. I'm not sure if B is a valid HTML. Oh, it's valid. Okay. Anyway, I will commit these changes for now, but I need to add a comment here. This should be added to a utility module. Allows what is my task name again? Support common events. Okay, that's very specific, but my changes is too generic. So allows HTML formatting for events, for resume events. While waiting for the commit, I will try to show if there will be an error if I use this directive or this pipe in multiple places. I just hope I'm wrong. So let me try to use this here as well. In here, oh, it's compiled successfully. Oh, okay. So okay, I'm glad that I'm correct this time, because I cannot declare a pipe twice or more than once. I think I'm done with my task for today, but I still have 30 minutes if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 36. So I can put it here. Oh, I have this add logger for Nest.js. So now I will do that, but I need to fix this error. What do I mean by that logger? So this logger will be used, of course, for logging events in the back end. For example, I did I mean wait, I did a fetch here. It should be logged here, so for future debugging I know what's happening, or just in case there's an error I know what happened. Because as you can see, it's just this plain text. But for the logger I'm talking about is not the simple console.log. It's I will try to use the official logger for Nest.js. Nest.js logger. Oh, okay. I see. They have multiple approach here. So one is to create a logger service, and then okay. Actually, that's not the one I want. What I want is something like the Java way, where you will create an instance, then an static instance, then just do a logger. Oh, this is their logging. Okay, if this is what they want, okay. Logger is okay. Let me try that. But still, the error is still there. Why? Okay, if I try to recompile this. Okay, moving away from that, I need to create my logger. Logger. Where is, okay, in here. I need to go to, sorry, I forgot, to my main, if I'm not mistaken. Main, here, main. And then in here, I need to add my logger. So my logger will be logger. It's not showing. Logger is, I think I can check what are the possible logger. Oh, I can pass a logger service. Oh, okay. Let me try this approach. I will create this logger service. Just a side note, this is working now, no error. Using nx, I can create a logger service. Nest.js, but I need to put this in a service folder, which I don't know if I already have. Okay, there's no service. What I need to do is to create a service folder, but that can be handled by this schematics, I think. Apps API src app and services / logger. Okay, I think this is enough. Logger service. Oops, I don't think I really need to repeat the name, so maybe flat. True. src. Oh, it should not be in src. How do I put it in the right folder? The path to, okay, it should be here. Oh, it's still not source root. Apps, API, src, app, services, logger service. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, I will run this for now. I will copy this implementation, go to the services, logger service, and I can copy this thing. But do I need the injectable? Okay, let me add injectable. I will leave that for now. Portfolio logger service. And this can be used here. App service, sorry, not there, but in here. Logger should be, I think it's injectable is not really needed. Logger will be, what was the name again? Portfolio logger service. Oh, I need to instantiate it. New portfolio logger service. But I really don't know what will be the difference. I'm not sure why they can provide without the injectable. Okay, let me check this. Oh, it's a different approach. Is it a different approach? Nope, it's not. But I was wondering why there is no need for the injectable. Because it's obviously being injected here. Oh, I need to create a logger module. Okay, do I really need to create that? Or yeah, I think maybe because I will use it in different places. So okay, I will create a logger here, or maybe in here using nx. I will create a module for ns.js. Name of the module will be logger, and the path, the source root will be apps api /src /app. Apps api src app logger module. Yep. I'm quite confused here. Oh, there are a lot of ways. Okay, so this is the a better way, or is it a better way? Okay, let me just copy this. Okay, never mind. I'll proceed with this dependency injection. Oh, we have here an app use logger. App that use logger. Oh, okay, great. App that get portfolio service logger. I need to create this module. I'm not so sure why I need to import that in the app in here. Now I'm getting this logger service error. Why do I have that? Oh, okay, because I already renamed it to a different file name or class name. In that module, okay, I think I can put it there. And now I should be able to delete these services. I should load that, I mean the service. Is it a provider log portfolio logger service, and I need to export it as well. Do I need to export it? Let me just reference here. Yep, I need to. Portfolio blah 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 should be exports. Need to find the usage. I had a usage but I forgot where, or maybe I in here in main. Okay, I need to fix this. And I'm wondering how can I use this logger now. Okay. Okay, this is one usage. My logger that set context cat service. Why do I need to do that? Okay, I'll just follow it. Instead of service, maybe I should use it in here. I need to inject that private. Okay, I'll copy paste. private read only logger. This is portfolio logger service. And as instructed, I need to use logger that set where wait, why don't I have that set context? It implements this logger service. Oh, it doesn't have a set context. This my logger that set context. Why don't I have this set context? Okay. So this is a bit different. Oh yeah, it's really different. I need to comment this for now. Now in the controller, let me check if I can. Yes, I can access set context. And for this set context, if I'm not mistaken, I should also use this class name. And the problem now is, how do I use this? Oh, okay. This dot logger, that one. Okay. I will try this and check my logs. I will try in here. Localhost, I think it's 8080. Is it? Yeah, 8080. And what I need to do here is wait, what happened? Maybe I need to restart it because I added a new module. I'm not so sure. Okay, 17 more minutes. Thank you. I'm restarting my service. Okay, I need to fix this. Export message was not found. I'll put that in my backlog. Fix warning on during backend run compilation, maybe. Multer module. Okay, logger module initialized. Wait, I'm expecting a lot more error. I mean, okay, now I get some error. Oh, I cannot use with combination with get. Okay, got it. This the people who made this framework, Nest.js, is so smart. So I'm guessing that in order for it to work in the app module, I need to import the logger module. Oh, I already did. Wait, I already did. So I'm waiting for this compilation to finish. Thank you. Now it's working. What I need to verify now is if it will log. So API. Yep, we're now getting this log. So I'm not sure if you can appreciate this, but it's actually nice to have a proper logger because we can I mean in the future we can use it to forward it to Logstash or whatever logging provider that we want. So for every action we can add a log here. So this dot logger dot log, and what I need to do here is to add accessing API test endpoint. I will copy paste this and move to other places. For example, in here I will add here this, maybe I'll leave it blank for now. In here as well, in here, and in here. Okay, maybe one for each of the API calls. I need to inject the surveys as well. Wait a minute. What I need to do here is to import the logger module as well. Okay, and I need to put a message here, so getting me. I don't know what is a better format, but maybe accessing will be my default. Accessing me endpoint. Here accessing, oh, I think I know what is a better format for this. I will use the method name, so get me, and in here get profiles ID. Okay, I think that's an easier way, an easier log format. Profiles me. Here I will also get profiles. So what I'm doing now is quite boring. Post profiles. In the future I will improve the messages, but for now we can I can deal with that. I mean, I can use that. And in these memes I need to add a logger as well. But where is my template here? this dot logger dot log, it's a patch. It's a patch to what? To memes ID. We'll copy paste this to other routes. I'm hungry. Post memes. Get memes key. This should be sufficient for now. I need to import the module here. Logger module. And I will check if my logger is still working. I will use this to test. If I refresh this, yep. Oh, we're getting this get profiles me twice. Yeah, that's not a good thing. So we're getting here we're getting this 4 times. Wait, I'm not sure why it is logging twice. I'm not sure if it is a bug or not. Oh, I see. We have 4 images in login. Okay. I just realized that I did not add logger there. So what I need to do here is to add logger dot log. Wait, who was that? I did not see who shared or liked. Is that you?
Sorry?
Is that you who liked the stream?
No.
Oh,
Someone else. Mark D?
Oh, okay. So, shout out to Mark. Thank you for, I don't know what event you made. Oh, you like it. Thank you for liking. This dot log, it's a post to auth login. While waiting, I just realized what can I add here as well. In my profile controller, I have here this me. This me is for public use of whoever wants to see my actual portfolio. But in here, I'm using this dummy ID as a way to get my profile. I will change this. Change way of getting my own profile information. This is a backend task. Okay, I forgot to put a label. Backend. Oh, I see that there is an error. Nest can't resolve dependencies of auth controller auth service. Why? Auth controller auth service. Oh, I see, I see. So I forgot to add here the logger module. I also need to beautify this login part. Improve UI of login page. This is a front end task, and okay, that's it for now. Why is it still getting this get profiles me? I'm not so sure, but I need to figure out what is causing this. I need to create a ticket for that. Investigate our fix. Multiple call of profiles me endpoint. This is a defect. Defect and tech task. Okay, I was verifying if it will um, call if it will log during authentication, and it did. I will commit this for now. Okay, just to check if I have if I did something terrible. Okay, this will do. Okay. Also okay. 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 Oops, I have here an error. Why? Okay, I think this is because I made a different file, a class name. I just realized that I'm actually not using unit testing here. Added logger to backend. I only have 1 minute left, so I will use this to um, I don't know. What should I do? This can be moved to sorry, I forgot to put, oh, it's this one. I already put it in progress, and I can move it to done. I can use the remaining 1 minute to think of what I should do tomorrow. Or oh, okay, I think I should just commit this, then push and do a deployment. I will navigate to my GitHub, and in here Okay, my alarm is um, it's, okay, it's done. I'm just waiting for that commit for my commit message to be done as well. Now it's done. I can push it. Oops. Thank git push, git push. And in my GitHub, it's it detected that I have a changes. I will do a pull request. I will merge it to my release one branch. Create pull request. And okay, use my administrator power. And I can now delete my branch. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. This is again the day 11 of my 100 days of coding, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye!